What we are discussing is very important, sir. Final exam lo compulsory ga vache models are we. Okay. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. Touch each other. Okay, touch each other and also find point of contact and tangent at point of contact. So, solution. What is the question? He says, show us the circles will touch each other, find the point of contact, tangent at the point of contact. First, x square plus y square minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to minus 12. And g value minus 2, f value minus 3. What is the c1? Minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 3. What is r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c, root of 4 plus 9, c is minus 12, so plus 12. So how much it becomes? 5. r1 is equal to 5. Next, second circle, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. So 2g is equal to 6, 2f is equal to 18, c is equal to 26. So what is the g value? 3 and f value 9. Center C2 minus 3 comma minus 9. What is R2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 81 minus 26, which will give R2 is equal to root 64, 8. Now we got R2. Next, what is that we have to do? C1, C2. Distance between centers. So distance between center, what is C1? 2 comma 3. What is C2? Minus 3 comma minus 9. So C1, C2 is equal to distance formula. Minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 9 minus 3 whole square. So this becomes 5 square is 25 plus 144. So 169 is equal to 13. Therefore, C1, C2 is equal to 13. Now what is R1 plus R2? What is R1 value? We got 5. 5 plus 8. How much? 13. So C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. What is the condition we are getting? C1, C2. Same procedure like previous problems. Okay. But here you should not write number of tangents, sir. Okay. Number of tangents you should not write. Now C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, circles will touch each other externally. So like this you have to draw rough diagram. Which point will come? P point. So point of contact is P. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Right? So here m is r1. R1 is what, sir? 5. What is n? R2, 8. What is C1? x1, y1. What is x1, y1? Minus 2 comma 3. And what is C2? x2, y2. What is x2, y2? Minus 3 comma minus 9. Therefore, P formula. mx2, 5 into 5, 15. 5 into minus 3, 15. 8 into 2, 16. By 5 plus 8, comma 5 into minus 9, minus 45 plus 24. by 5 plus 8. So this becomes 1 by 13 comma minus 21 by 13. So first part is over. We have proved this is a circles will touch each other. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ క్యారీస్ 1 మార్క్ సార్ ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్? C1 C2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు R1 ప్లస్ R2 సర్కిల్స్ విల్ టచ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఇది కంపల్సరీ పాయింట్ సార్. నెక్స్ట్ P పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ వచ్చారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్. Equation of tangent S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. There are two circles are given. L is equal to S1 minus S2. And you have to subtract from the first circle, second circle direct. If you subtract, it becomes minus 10x minus 24y then minus 38. So what I have done? I have subtracted both the circles are. Simply subtract from this circle equation. So what is that we get? Minus 10x minus 24y minus 38. Cancel with the minus 2 table. 5x plus 12y plus 19 is equal to 0. So what is that we get? So here circles will touch each other. First C1 R1, C2 R2, then C1 C2 distance. R1 plus R2 is equal to, we got in this 13. So C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore circles will touch each other externally. So P point we have to find out. P formula rayali. Next tangent equation, simply subtract circle equations. Subtract circle equation. Right? Then you get L. Okay. This is 7 marks question, sir. Okay, note down. Okay, we will be doing 4 problems, sir. First problem is our second problem. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. 5 times of x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y minus 32 is equal to 0. Touch each other, find the point of contact. Again set. Is asking 3 more aruta, sir. Show that the circles will touch each other, point of contact, equation of tangent. These more points untai, sir. First, look at this problem. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to minus 12. Therefore, g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. What is c1? Minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 3. What is r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 9 plus 12. How much we get? 5. Observe here, most important point. The second circle is given like this. So you have to be very, very careful when you are doing this problem. 5 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y minus 32 is equal to. First divide cheyal, sir. So x square plus y square minus 14 by 5y minus 32 by 5 is equal to 0. So first divide. This is very, very important, sir. Okay, this is the first circle, this is the second circle. This equation we should not consider. This equation we have to consider. Now what is the 2g? 2g is minus 8 by 5. 2f is minus 14 by 5. C is equal to minus 32 by 5. Therefore, g is equal to minus 4 by 5. F is equal to minus 7 by 5. Okay, C1, R1, R2 is equal to, C2 is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Currently formula applications, sir. Remember, we are writing the numbers only. Now what is the R2? Root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 16 by 25 plus 49 by 25, c value minus 32 plus 32 by 35. So root of LCM is 25. So 16 plus 49, 5 will go 5 times, 5 13, 32 is 160. So this becomes 225 by 25. So how much we get? Root 9, that is 3. So we got R1, C1. Next C1, C2. Distance between centers. What is C1, sir? C1 is 2 comma 3. What is C2? 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Now C1, C2. Distance formula. 4 by 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 by 5 minus 3 whole square. Okay. LCM is 5. So 4 minus 10 whole square plus LCM 5, 7 minus 15 whole square. Right? So 4 minus 10 is 6, 6 by 5 whole square is 36 by 25. 36 by 25. For 7 minus 15 minus 8 whole square is 64 by 25. So C1, C2 is equal to root of 100 by 25, which is 4. How much we get? 2. Now observe here, C1, C2 is equal to 2. What is R1 plus R2? R1 is how much we got, sir? 5. What is R2 we got? 3. 8, which is not equivalent to C1, C2. What is R1 minus R2 modulus? 5 minus 3 modulus is equal to 2, which is equivalent to C1, C2. So now what is the second condition? First condition is not meeting. We have to see the same. Only in between conditions choose sir. Only we have to see these two, R1 plus R2 or R1 minus R2. Therefore, circles will touch each other internally like this. Diagram important. Which point will come? Q point. What is the Q formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Therefore, m is R1. What is R1? R1 is 3, sir. Sorry, 5. And what is R2? 3. What is C1? x1 y1, which is equivalent to 2 comma 3. And what is C2? x2 y2, which is equivalent to what is x2 y2? 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Therefore, mx2 5 into 4 by 5, that is 4. 5 into 4 by 5, 5 will get cancelled, 4. Next my2, that is nx1 minus nx1, 3 into 2, 6. mx2 minus nx1, so 5 into 4 by 5, 4, and nx1, 3 into 2, 6, divided by 5 minus 3, comma, my2, 5 into 7 by 5, 7, 3 into 3, 9, by 5 minus 3. So this will be minus 2 by 2, comma, minus 2 by 2, which is equivalent to minus 1, comma, minus 1. So we have seen again same procedure. Okay, now what is the next we have to find out? Equation of tangent. Okay, please note down this, that we will do now. Right, now we have to find equation of tangent. Is L is equal to S1 minus S2. Okay, S1 minus S2. S1 answer x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Here I am writing here minus. Now this circle equation, not the circle which he has given. So you have to consider. That's why arrow pattern, sir. It is called x square minus 8 by 5x minus 14 by 5y is equal to 0. So open the bracket, x square y square will get cancelled. Minus 6y minus 12 plus 8 by 5 x plus 14 by 5y plus 32 by 5 is equal to 0. Multiply by 5. So what will happen? Minus 20x minus 30y minus 60 plus 8x plus 14y plus 32 is equal to 0. 20 plus 8 means minus 12x. Here minus 16y. This will be minus 28. Cancel by 4 table. Minus 4 table. So this becomes 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, what is here? Same procedure, but the problem important, fractions are there, you have to be careful with the fractions. And here one verification is there, sir. What is the Q point we got? Minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma minus 1. Put that value here, minus 3, minus 4 plus 7, which is equal to 0. So your equation is right. You can verify, but it is not necessary in examination, you should verify. But what is important here? We cannot subtract directly, sir. Important, first circle is this, second circle after dividing 5 by 5, sir. That's why this problem is given many times for 7 marks. Okay, let us see next problem. Next problem. Show that x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Touch each other. And find point of contact and equation of tangent. Right? Point of contact. The same procedure. 4 problems nice, sir. All the 4 problems are very important. Again, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 6. 2f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. What is the g value? Minus 3. What is the f value? Minus 1. So what is c1? Is equal to 3 comma 1. What is r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So what will happen? 9 plus 1 minus 1, which is 3. So r1 is equal to 3. Again, what is second circle? For x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. What is the 2g? 2. 2f is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 13. So what is the g value? G value 1, f value minus 4. What is c2? Minus g comma minus f, minus 1 comma 4. What is r2? Root of g square plus f square minus c, which is nothing but 1 plus 16. What is c value? 13. So minus 13 under root. So which is 4, which will give you 2. R2 is equal to 2. Now C1, C2. Distance between centers. What is C1? What is C1, sir? 3 comma 1. And what is C2? Minus 1 comma 4. Now C1, C2, root of minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So this is 16 plus 9. How much we get? 5. Now what is the first condition? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. What is R1, sir? R1 is 3, R2 is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. So we will take R1 plus R2. Therefore C1, C2 is equal to R1. Therefore circles will touch externally like this. Which point will come? P point. So P mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so what is m? Is equal to r1, which is equal to 3, and n is equal to r2, which is equal to 2. What is c1? c1 is 3 comma 1, and what is c2? Minus 1 comma 4. So P is equal to mx2, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 2 into 3, 6, by m plus n. M plus n is what, sir? 3 plus 2, comma. Next my2, 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 2 by 3 plus 2. So how much we get? P is 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. Now P value we got. Now equation of tangent. Again I told you L is equal to S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. What is the first circle? I'll write here. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 minus of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. So x square y square will get cancelled. Minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 minus 2x plus 8y minus 13 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 8x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 2 table to cancel answer. 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. If you want to verify, you can put this values are here, you will get answer. Okay. So here again C1 R1, C2 R2, C1 C2 distance. ఎప్పుడు మనకి రెండు కండిషన్స్ వస్తాయి సార్. దేర్ విల్ బి టూ కండిషన్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఐదర్ C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 or C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. Only these two conditions will come. If C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, circles will touch externally. This statement important sir. I'm underlining this. Okay, compulsory underline చేయాలి. Now which point will come? P point. Formula apply చేయండి. Equation of tangent, simply subtract both the line circle equations. Okay, let us see one more last problem in this model. Okay, there are 4 problems sir. We have finished 3. Let us see the 4th one. This 4th one is also very very important sir. So, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 16y is equal to 0 touch each other. Find point of contact and equation of tangent. Right, again same process. Solution: x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now observe here, 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 13. Therefore, what is the g value? Minus 3. What is the f value? Minus 9 by 2. Fraction is very very important sir. So c1 is equal to minus g comma minus f, 3 comma 9 by 2. What is the r1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 81 by 4 minus 13. Observe here, LCM is 4. So 36 plus 81 minus 52. So here by 1 by 1. So 4 9s are 36, 81, 4 13s are 52. So if you subtract, this will be 29 plus 36. 81 minus 52 is 29. 29 plus 36 and 65 by 4. So what is R1? Root of 65 by 4. Right? Next. Or we can write root 65 by 2. Next. For second circle, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 16. c is equal to 0. There is no constant. Kabatti 0 తీసుకోవాలి సార్. g is minus 1, f is minus 8. What is c2? Minus g comma minus f, which is nothing but 1 comma 8. What is r2? Root of g square plus f square minus c. That is root of 1 plus 64 minus 0 root 65. Right? Now next what is we have to do? C1 C2. Distance between centers. What is C1 sir? C1 is 3 comma 9 by 2. What is C2 sir? 1 comma 8. Now observe here, distance formula apply cheyali sir. So root of 1 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 9 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square, that is 4. Now ఇక్కడ LCM తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది సార్? 16 minus 9. Here if you put 1, 8 2s are 16, 16 minus 9, 7. 7 by 2 whole square means 49 by 4. So what I have done? Here inside LCM, sir. 2 is LCM, so 16 minus 9, 7, 7 by. Now again LCM. So what will happen? Root of. This will be 16 plus 49, 65 by 4, which is nothing but root 65 by 2. So C1, C2 is equal to root 65 by 2. Now again, first R1 plus R2. What is R1? Root 65 by 2. What is R2? Root 65. If you take LCM, 2 is the LCM. This becomes root 65 plus 2 root 65, which is 3 root 65 by 2. So R1 plus R2 is not equivalent to C1 C2, because C1 C2 root 65 by 2 వచ్చింది sir. Now R1 minus R2 modulus root 65 by 2 minus root 65 sir by 1 modulus. So LCM is 2. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. minus 2 root 65. So modulus. So this becomes minus root 65 by 2 modulus. Therefore R1 minus R2 modulus is root 65 by 2, which is equivalent to C1 C2. Again we got this condition. Therefore circles will touch internally. C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 వస్తే ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అవుతుంది సార్. C1 C2 R1 minus R2 అవుతే ఇంటర్నల్. ఈ రెండు పాయింట్స్ గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. And compulsory you have to draw this rough diagram. This is a Q point. What is the Q formula? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Here m is R1, which is nothing but root 65 by 2. What is R2? Root 65. C1 is x1 y1. What is x1 y1? 3 comma 9 by 2. What is C2? x2 y2, which is, what is x2 y2 sir? 1 comma 8. Okay, so we have to simplify this. Yes, note down. We'll continue. Now I'll put the values now. What are the values? Q. Observe here. M value is what sir? Root 65 by 2. Put in brackets sir. Into x2. What is x2 value? 1. Minus nx1. N value root 65. Into nx1. X1 is what sir? 3. By m minus n. M is what sir? Root 65 by 2 minus root 65, comma m by 2. What is m value sir? Root 65 by 2 into y2. What is the y2 value sir? 8 minus n by 1. N is what sir? Root 65 into this is n sir, n y1. Y1 is 9 by 2 by root 65 by 2 minus root 65. Now what I am going to do is I will remove all root 65 cancel చేస్తాను సార్. అంటే 1 by 2 into 1 మైనస్ ఇక్కడ రూట్ 65 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది 3 by ఇక్కడ కూడా రూట్ 65 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది 1 by 2 minus 1 means everywhere I am finding root 65 sir, that will be getting cancelled. Here also root 65 చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? 8 by 2 minus 9 by 2 by here also 1 by 2 minus 1 means what? Cancel root 65. And everywhere root 65 will get cancelled. Now what will happen? 2 is LCM, 1 minus 6 by 2 is LCM, 1 minus 2, comma here LCM is 2, 8 minus 9 by 1 minus 2 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Here also 2 will get cancelled. Minus 5 by minus 1, minus 1 by minus 1. So what is the value? 5 comma 1. Okay, here cancellation. Now we have to find equation of tangent. Is L is equal to S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. What is S1? I am writing here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 in the bracket minus of what is L2 x2 x square plus y square minus 2x minus 16y is equal to 0. Open చేస్తే x square y square will get cancelled, sir. So minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 with minus sign plus 2x plus 16y is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 4x plus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, now verification, sir, to make you understand here whether we are right or so much cancellation we have done. What is the point? 5 comma 1 వచ్చింది సార్ మనకి. ఇది ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ q వాల్యూ ఏమొచ్చింది సార్ మనకి 5 comma 1. So 5 4s are 20 minus 7 here minus 13. So minus table we are cancelling, so minus 13. So how much? Minus 20 minus 7 minus 13 0. So verify. So it is not required to make you understand. ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో 1 డివైడ్ బై 5 ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం అది కూడా C1 C2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు R1 మైనస్ R2 వచ్చింది. దీంట్లో కూడా R1 మైనస్ R2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు C1 C2 వచ్చింది. సో ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ రూట్ 65 విల్ రిమూవ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. సో దీస్ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్.